अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ खैर खैरियत से होंगे। नाज़रीन, मेरा नाम माहिन चौधरी है और मैं आज आपके लिए कुछ वर्ड्स विद इंग्लिश मीनिंग्स और उसकी इंग्लिश उर्दू में ट्रांसलेशन लेकर आई हूँ। होप सो यू विल लाइक माई वीडियो। इफ़ यू विल लाइक माई वीडियो, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, प्रेस बेल आइकन एंड काइंडली शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स। अगर आप इसे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करते हैं और वो भी इस वीडियो को देखेंगे तो उनकी नॉलेज में कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर इजाफा होगा। तो उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये मेरी वीडियो पसंद आएगी। अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक भी कर दीजिएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं, वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप एक या दो बार इसको अगर देख लेते हैं, ये ज़्यादा मिनट्स की नहीं है, ओनली आपके 10 मिनट लगेंगे। तो ये आपकी वोकैबुलरी में भी और नॉलेज में भी इजाफा करेगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। टैटर्ड, टी ए टी TATTERED, पुराना और हस्ता हाल। Old, torn and in very bad condition. Old, torn and in very bad condition. This shirt is so tattered, it's basically trash now. This shirt is so tattered, it's basically trash now. They found a tattered letter in the drawer. They found a tattered letter in the drawer. Reinstate, reinstate, to return something to its former role, to return something to its former role or condition. His membership was reinstated after payment. His membership was reinstated after payment. They reinstated several employees after the strike. They reinstated several employees after the strike. Pacify, to calm someone down. Pacify, to calm someone down. किसी का गुस्सा कम करना. I gave him a hug to pacify him after he got upset. I gave him a hug to pacify him after he got upset. Mutiny, mutiny, बगावत करना. सोल्जर्स या सिपाहियों या और लोगों का किसी एक ग्रुप का बगावत करना. When a group of people, often soldiers or sailors, refuse to obey orders against authority. When a group of people, often soldiers or sailors, refuse to obey orders against authority. A small mutiny broke out among soldiers. A small mutiny broke out among soldiers. The sailors planned a mutiny against the captain. The sailors planned a mutiny against the captain. Contradict, contradict, CONTRADICT. To say the opposite of someone else he said. To say the opposite of someone else has said. I don't want to contradict you, but you are wrong. I don't want to contradict you, but you are wrong. I don't want to contradict you, but you are wrong. I don't want to contradict you, but the store closed at 8, not 9. But the store closed at 8, not 9. Expunge, to completely erase, remove or delete. To completely erase, remove or delete. They expunged my name from the waiting list. They expunged my name from the waiting list. It's hard to expunge mistakes from your past. It's hard to expunge mistakes from your past. Offsprings, a person's child or children or the young of an animal. A person, child's or children or the young of an animal. I saw a cat and its offspring near the park. I saw a cat and its offspring near the park. He has 3 offspring, 2 sons and 1 daughter. He has 3 offspring, 2 sons and 1 daughter. Pristine, pristine. This place is absolutely pristine. Who cleaned it? Pristine. This place is absolutely pristine. Who cleaned it? The book is in pristine condition like new. The book is in pristine condition like new. Simultaneously, simultaneously. At the same time when 2 or more things happen together. At the same time when 2 or more things happen together. He was texting and eating simultaneously. He was texting and eating simultaneously. Both phones rang simultaneously in the room. Both phones rang simultaneously in the room. Ravage, बुरी तरह तबाह होना. Ravage, बुरी तरह तबाह होना. The storm ravaged the whole village last night. The storm ravaged the whole village last night. Debunk, किसी चीज़ को गलत साबित करना. Debunk, किसी चीज़ को गलत साबित करना. To prove that something is false or wrong. To prove that something is false or wrong. He debunked the rumor before it spread more. He debunked the rumor before it spread more. The reporter tried to debunk the fake news online. The reporter tried to debunk the fake news online. Recuperate, recuperate, to recover from illness. I am still recuperating from the flu. I am still recuperating from the flu. You should rest more if you want to recuperate quickly. You should rest more if you want to recuperate quickly. Frisk, to search someone quickly. Frisk, to search someone quickly. The security guard frisked me at the entrance. The security guard frisked me at the entrance. They frisked everyone at the airport gate. They frisked everyone at the airport gate. Enlarge, to make something bigger in size area. To make something bigger in size area. The image is too small. Can you enlarge it? The image is too small. Can you enlarge it? He had an enlarged liver, but it's getting better. Hoard, to collect and store a lot of something. Hoard, to collect and store a lot of something. किसी चीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा इकट्ठा कर लेना, चाहे वो खाने की हो या कोई और हो. Don't hoard food, buy only what you need. Don't hoard food, buy only what you need. During the pandemic, some people started to hoard toilet paper. During the pandemic, some people started to hoard toilet paper. During the pandemic, some people started to hoard toilet paper. I am feeling better today. आज मैं बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am feeling better today. आज मैं बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. She is waiting for you outside. वो आपका बाहर इंतज़ार कर रही है. She is waiting for you outside. वो आपका बाहर इंतज़ार कर रही है. Can you help me with this? क्या आप इसमें मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me with this? क्या आप इसमें मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? I don't know the answer. मुझे जवाब मालूम नहीं है. I don't know the answer. मुझे जवाब मालूम नहीं है. Let's go for a walk. चलो सैर पर चलते हैं. Let's go for a walk. चलो सैर पर चलते हैं. He looks tired but happy. He looks tired but happy. वो थका हुआ लगता है लेकिन खुश है. He looks tired but happy. वो थका हुआ लगता है लेकिन खुश है.